Hey guys, so I thought maybe this time I'd make a video for you about texting in Spanish. So much like in English, we have ways to abbreviate words and phrases. We can do the same thing in Spanish. So maybe you're learning Spanish, or maybe you're gaining some Spanish friends, Spanish-speaking friends, and you want to text them and use some of their abbreviations. So what I did here is I made a list of 15 that I think you might be able to use. There are plenty more, believe me. You can look them up on the internet. You'll find lists with probably hundreds of them. But these ones, I think you might be able to use some of them, and I think I'll explain a couple things about them too. So I'll go through and show them to you. So the first one here we have is aquí. Aquí means here, and you'll find that the letter K is used a lot in abbreviations for Spanish texting for the K sound, like QUE, that kind of a K. The next one is BBR, and it's short for beber. The next one, B7S, is short for besitos, which means kisses. Obviously, the B is for B, and then the 7 would be like kind of like siete, so the cito kind of has that siete sound in the middle, so that's where it comes from. The next one I think is kind of clever. So fingers in Spanish are dedos, so this is literally de dos. It's a letter D and then the number 2. Next one, this is a shortened version of donde for where. Obviously H and L on the next one are the 2 starting letters for hasta luego, see you later. For the next one now, igual. When someone says igual in Spanish, it actually kind of sounds like they're saying this a lot of times with the W sound. And that means like same here, or like equally, like if they say, nice to meet you, you could say igual, or have a good weekend, igual. Next one, you have the letter K again for cabeza. Cállate, hopefully you don't use it too much, but it can mean shut up, so K-Y-A-T, callat. MSG is short for mensaje, which is a message. PF is short for por favor, for please. Next one down, I have 2 abbreviations for why and because, and they're PQ, obviously would be for the P in por, and the Q for K. The X one right here for X and the Q, I made it in one of my Spanish slang videos I made recently. For the letter X, I showed you that the X can be an abbreviation for por in words like porque, because in mathematical terms, the X symbol is the times symbol. And if you were saying like 5 times 5, you'd say cinco por cinco with that X symbol. So that's where that comes from. The next one is just a short version of que quieres for what do you want. TQ is short for te quiero, which can mean I love or I want you. And the last one, XFA, is for por favor, again with the X in the mathematical terms meaning por. So that's it for this video. If you are a Spanish speaker, or if you text Spanish speakers and you have some other ones that you find very useful, maybe leave them in the comment section so that I and some of my other people can learn from what you guys use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, leave a like if you did, and we'll see you next time.